Do you want your skin to glow? You've applied lots of moisturizer but no results. Learn 5 DIY scrubs that will give you a smooth, soft, glowing skin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be talking about scrubs. Yeah guys, scrub, we'll be learning 5 DIY scrub. And yes, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started. So guys, the key to a glowing skin is scrubbing and moisturizing. You don't need to spend thousands and lots of money for you to get a glowing skin. The secret is to scrub and use good moisturizer. So in this video you will learn 5 DIY scrub that will give you that glow, makes you soft. We'll be learning the facial scrub, the full body scrub, pink lip scrub, stretch mark scrub, and dark pit and thigh scrub. So guys, for the facial scrub, our ingredients for facial scrub is sugar, honey, lime, coconut oil or olive oil, turmeric, and aloe vera. So guys, this facial scrub, remember the dark people do not add lime. If you are dark, you apply it twice in a week for effective result. So also now the full body scrub. So for the full body scrub, our sugar is sugar, honey, olive oil, lime, aloe vera, turmeric. Everything is necessary in this scrub. Apply it on your body twice in a week or 3 times a week, and massage it. This gives you that glow, makes your skin soft, and also takes away dark spots. So pink lip scrub, guys, our ingredients for pink lip scrub is sugar, honey, lime, beetroot, and food coloring. So guys, this pink lip scrub is very effective if used consistently. So when you rub it in a circular motion, then apply good lip balm. So guys, stretch mark scrub. For this stretch mark scrub, our ingredients is wood ash or coffee grounds, honey, aloe vera, lime juice. So guys, this stretch mark scrub, you apply it twice in a week. Also, you can use aloe vera as your moisturizer. So the dark arm and thigh scrub, our ingredients is brown sugar, powdered milk, baking soda, honey, lime juice, and coconut oil. So guys, this scrub, you apply it on your dark thighs, the affected area, and massage properly. After massaging properly, you guys note, always apply a good moisturizer because scrub always makes your skin dry. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you know, like, you learned something, please click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. See you on my next video. Bye.